you have an expression like this, the integral of upper limit 7, lower limit 3, 1 over x dx. How can you enter this expression in Microsoft Word? So today we're going to be looking at how to enter equation in Microsoft Word using this example. So if you have an expression like this, how can you do this? You go to your insert on your ribbon, then go to equation and insert new equation. So click on insert new equation. So when you click on insert new equation, you see a lot of structures. You have fraction, scripts, radicals, integral. So pick integral. There are a lot of other structures that you can pick from, but for this expression, we're looking at integration. So look at integral. So when you check the integral, there are a lot of different types that we can see. But look at it closely and see the one that corresponds to our expression. So this, I see it should be this. So this one is just a single one. There's no upper limit here. But here we have the one with integrals with limits. So it's the one we're going to pick. So let's take this. So here, our upper limit is what? Is 7. Then our lower limit is 3. Then here we have, this is 1 over x dx. So 1 over x is a fraction. So we'll also pick a fraction. So pick fraction. Yes, this is a fraction that corresponds with what we are doing. So pick this type of fraction. No. Select this. Pick on fraction. So we have 1 over x. Yeah, 1 over x. If I type dx, it will be attached to the x. So this is not the correct way to do this. So to get this correctly, you press your arrow key to leave the fraction. So you can see if I type yes, we've gotten the correct equation. So if you like this, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. So you can increase this. You can also reduce it. So this is it. So if you want to get solution to this, we've done this video before. Just look at the video is displayed here. You can click on it and watch it. So see you in the next one. Thank you.